Hello, my name is Jerrod Guidry, and this is my presentation on UPS, or the United Parcel Service, and their integration of artificial intelligence into their infrastructure. This presentation is about the United Parcel Service and their integration of artificial intelligence, AI, to bolster their overall network planning, the pros and cons of such integration, and where it could possibly take them in the future. UPS is a global package delivery and logistics company that uses AI in various ways to improve its operations, efficiency, and logistics experience. We will dive into some examples of how UPS uses AI and how it could bolster their business. The contents of this presentation, you'll find that will cover the technology that's used in UPS's artificial intelligence operations to help their overall operations. Thoughts on why this choice was made, specifically the business decisions that it took for UPS to get to the point where they are actually considering or had considered using artificial intelligence. The key players, the people that took the artificial intelligence role seriously and saw the benefits of it, and we'll cover that in the following section, which will be the pros and cons. There's obviously a pro and con for every decision that's made, especially in business of this magnitude. So those are just some of the things we're going to dive into. Here we're going to dive into the technology side of the artificial intelligence operations at UPS. First up, we'll cover machine learning. UPS uses machine learning algorithms to optimize delivery routes, calculate package volumes, and predict shipping times. These algorithms use historical data to learn and improve their predictions over time. What machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that involves developing computer algorithms that can learn and make predictions or decisions based on input data. It's a process by which a computer system can automatically learn and improve from experiences without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning algorithms are typically trained on large amounts of data and use statistical methods to identify patterns and relationships in that data. These algorithms can be used to make predictions, decisions, like I stated before, about new data on what they have learned from the training data or the field data that they're compiling at a rapid rate. Next, we'll cover computer vision. Computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence and computer science that focuses on enabling computers to interpret and understand visual information from the world around them. It involves developing algorithms and techniques that can enable computers to analyze, process, and interpret visual data from digital images, videos, and other visual inputs. Computer vision algorithms are designed to identify and extract meaningful information from visual data, such as identifying objects or patterns. UPS uses this technology to automate their package sorting identify addresses, and read labels. This technology allows UPS to process packages faster with better accuracy. Next, we'll cover the natural language processing. Natural language processing, or NLP, is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. NLP involves developing algorithms and techniques that can analyze, process, and manipulate large amounts of data, of natural language data, such as text, speech, or written language. NLP algorithms are designed to identify and extract meaning from natural language data, such as recognizing parts of speech, extracting named entities, or understanding the relationships between words and phrases in a sentence. NLP can also involve more complex tasks such as sentiment analysis, machine translation, and summarization or question answering even. UPS uses this technology to improve their customer service chatbots, automates responses to customer inquiries. This technology allows UPS to respond to their customers quickly and efficiently. In comparison to like technology that has been quite popular in the news recently, ChatGPT is actually also a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It's quite similar to the natural language processing unit that's being used with UPS and their customer service hubs. Next, we'll cover robotics. Robotics is a field of engineering and science that deals with the design, construction, and operation of robots. A robot is a machine or device that is capable of carrying out complex actions autonomously or without minimal or with or without minimal human supervision. Robots can take many forms, from industrial robots used in manufacturing to humanoid robots used in research or entertainment. They could be programmed to perform a wide variety of tasks, ranging from simple repetitive actions to more complex tasks requiring decision making and problem solving. The field of robotics includes many subdisciplines such as mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, and artificial intelligence. Robotics research focuses on developing new technologies and methods for improving design and performance of robots, as well as exploring new applications and uses for robots in various industries and domains. Robots have many practical applications such as manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture, transportation, and many others. They can be used to automate tasks such as that could be repetitive or dangerous. This is uh, essentially what UPS is using them for. They're automating package loading and unloading, reducing the need for human labor, and improving efficiency. Next, we'll cover some of the key players that took part in the decision-making process of integrating artificial intelligence into UPS's infrastructure. The primary person that was involved in this decision-making process is Subramanian. Bala Subramanian is the Chief Digital and Technology Officer of the United Parcel Service, a global package and delivery and logistics company. As the CDTO, he leads UPS's technology organization and is responsible for the development and execution of the company's overall technology strategy, including its digital transformation initiatives. He joined UPS in 2019 and has over 25 years of experience in the technological industry, including leadership roles at Best Buy, AT&T, just to name a few. His degree is in engineering from the Indian Institute of Technology and a master's degree from the University of Texas in Austin. This decision was ultimately made up of the board that was comprised of Scott Price, the President of International, Chief Strategy Transformation Officer, Kevin Warren, the Chief Marketing Officer, and Kate Gutman, the Chief Sales and Solutions Officer. The board as a whole made this decision, but Subramanian's expertise and leadership was the driving force behind making the decision ultimately. Next, we'll cover some of the pros and cons of using artificial intelligence at the United Parcel Service. First, we're going to cover improved efficiency. Artificial intelligence is helping optimize the delivery routes and schedules. This can reduce delivery times and improve overall efficiency. In the route optimization process, the artificial intelligence algorithms are used to optimize the delivery routes. These algorithms take into account a wide range of factors such as traffic patterns, weather conditions, road closures, and delivery windows. The AI software can process this information quickly and generate optimized delivery routes that can help reduce delivery times, fuel costs, and carbon emissions. It's doing much better than the old Magellan units that you could buy at Best Buy, quite sure. Next is going to be enhanced customer service. Artificial intelligence can provide customers with personalized recommendations and customer service support, which can ultimately lead in increased customer satisfaction. This is taken care of by the NLP AI that we were speaking about earlier. That is quite similar to ChatGPT. It's learning from the customers as a whole and generating all that information into one base, which allows them to provide better customer service. Overall, the competitive advantage by using artificial intelligence, UPS can stay ahead of its competitors by offering superior delivery service and customer experiences. To the best of my knowledge, Federal Express is not using artificial intelligence, nor is the United States Postal Service. Lastly, increased accuracy. The artificial intelligence can analyze large amounts of data and make predictions with high accuracy, which can help UPS make more informed business decisions. Inside of those business decisions, you have the predictive maintenance. UPS uses the AI to monitor the health of its vehicles and equipment and predict when maintenance is needed. AI software can analyze data from sensors and other sources to identify potential issues before they become a serious problem. This helps UPS prevent breakdowns, reduce downtime, and save on maintenance costs. For example, UPS uses their tire pressures. Sensors have artificial intelligence. This helps UPS schedule maintenance proactively, reducing the risk of unexpected repairs and improving vehicle reliability. Next, we'll go over the cons of the negative sides that could be seen integrating artificial intelligence into UPS's infrastructure. High implementation costs. Implementing AI or artificial intelligence systems can be expensive. UPS may need to invest heavily in research, development, and infrastructure to get the most out of this technology. Most of the programming is done on the fly, but the artificial intelligence as a whole is learning day to day and better seeing how they will apply those lessons learned into UPS infrastructure. Potential job loss. This is not just a concern at UPS, but across the IT industry as a whole. You're seeing high levels of layoffs at Google, Meta, the company that owns Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, everywhere across the board in the information technology space. You're seeing layoffs, and partially was because of inflated hiring done during COVID times, but most of it is because these companies are now implementing artificial intelligence themselves, creating job loss. But the reason AI can automate many tasks that were previously done by human workers, which could lead to job loss or reduce employment opportunities. The dependence on technology is a hamstring that the entire country has as a whole right now. There are very few things that are analog or require a lot of human input outside of blue collar work. By relying heavily on AI, UPS could become more vulnerable to technology and failures or disruptions, which could impact its ability to deliver packages and meet customers' needs. Data privacy concerns. AI systems require access to large amounts of data, which could raise concerns about data privacy and security. It could literally take one breach of UPS's data infrastructure to steal millions of people's information and spread it to the wrong hands, where that information could be manipulated and used in whichever way they see fit. Also, a con to utilizing this technology is a lack of transparency. AI systems can be complex, and it may be difficult for UPS to explain the decisions made by these systems, which could reduce trust amongst the customers. A lot of the decisions that are made by the artificial intelligence are essentially educated guesses. And if UPS can't explain that to their customer base, some customers may not want to have specific business dealings with them because of that. Please take a second to look over some of the references used for my research for this project. It's pretty great resources out there, specifically on this topic of artificial intelligence. And in closing, I'd like to share this quote by Mr. Albert Einstein. I fear the day that technology will surpass our human interaction. The world will have a generation of idiots. Thanks for watching my presentation.